What's going on, boys and girls? Another video. Not an explore. Well, an explore, but it's not, you know, the usual bando type of an explore. Something you can come and see. It's a Paxton Tower. So look at this. I'm out of breath already from the trek getting up. I think it's a bacon sandwiches this morning, to be fair. But how awesome is that? Literally goes back to Nelson's reign. This guy Paxton built it in the 1800s. Provides 360 views around the place. I'm gonna go take a little look inside, but also we're gonna do some drone footage of it. But look at this. How cool is that? Let's get through the little gate first. Gonna ruin the old deer's photos now by walking straight in there. Awesome. Look at this. How cool is that? Literally round and round and round. It's a shame we can't go all the way up there though. You can sort of see the lines where the old staircases used to be. Look at the views from this place. Amazing. Another staircase. Oh, little fireplace. This is gorgeous in here. Wow. So there is a floor up there. And I weren't lying, it is literally 360 views. Love it. But there we go, that's enough of my face. Let's get the drone up and let's do some cool aerial shots of the place. So, until next time, enjoy it. I'll see you soon.